Hi, thank you for tuning in. I just wanted to share with you my makeup removal step by step. So just as I enjoy doing my makeup, I also want to show you guys how I go about removing my makeup before I end each day. So first things first, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Skin Expert. This is micellar cleansing water to remove my makeup. What I'm going to do is apply it to a cotton mound and soak it on up so it's nice and moist. And then I'm just going to use it to clean my makeup off. Or just a circular motions because this is just like the first step of removal before I use my cleanser. So I want to make sure I get all this stuff off so I have a nice clean palette to work with. Apply a little more to the sponge, make it nice and wet. I'm going to go over my eyebrows. I don't have anything on the eyebrows. I'm going to go over my eyelids. This takes my, look at that. I love that. I love when I use a product and it just comes right off. Look how beautiful that was. And then the lips. Red is always so hard to take off. I use about 3 of these if it's like a full face of the makeup that I'm removing. Since my face is a little damp, I'm going to go in. This is my favorite product. It's the La Roche-Posay Normal to Oily Skin. It's their purifying foam cleanser. My skin varies. Sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's dry. So what I do, I'm just going to apply the cleanser to my hands like this. And I'm just going to rub it into my skin. This cleanser you want to keep on for about a minute. So I'm just going to massage it into my skin. I'm also going to bring it down to my neck because I'm about to go take a shower. So I want to make sure that I get the best use out of it. I'm going to leave this on, wash it off in the shower, and I'll be right back to show you the rest of my steps. Hi, so I am fresh out of the shower and I would like to show you the next step that I do. So I always go in with a toner. Right now I'm using Valine from Christine Valmet. It helps to keep the pH balance of my skin nice and even and also balanced. So what you want to do is just take your toner, apply it to your cotton mound so it's nice and wet, and then I'm just going to apply it upwards into my skin. Upwards into the forehead. So it's going to leave my skin nice and hydrated. I'm also going to put it on my neck. And I'm going to do the back. So this may tingle a little bit on the skin. If it does, that is fine. I love toner. It's probably my favorite thing, and I literally apply it everywhere from like my face, my neck, the back of my ears, the back of my neck. It feels so good. And then the last step, you can go in with a serum if you choose one that you want to use. I don't have any concerns right now that I want to treat besides just keeping my skin balanced and hydrated because it is still winter. You want to keep your skin hydrated and clean. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This one has SPF 30. I never leave my house without it, to be honest. I apply about a dime-sized amount, so about that much. I'm just going to rub it into my fingers and also apply that upwards into my skin. And of course, my neck. And then you're all set. I hope you guys liked my little routine. If you would like to see some more skincare tips, please let us know and we can help you with that. Thank you for watching. Love, Bassimb.